Start in 30 seconds.
Already started.
Alright, cool, whatever.
You just clip off the extra. Yeah.
I gotta get that because I'm about to switch phones. I gotta get that off soon.
Man, okay. You got that by yourself? Alright.
I mean, not the other truck.
Okay. Just a little concerned.
It'll be alright. People need to see how to do this solo. Like I told Watson, he got to do this by himself one day.
Oh my god.
He ain't gonna have no friends around. He's gonna be all alone. Because that's what happens. You grow up, you get old, you get busy.
Oh. So I guess I was ahead of the game.
Alright. I'm gonna ask you to pull the switch.
Me?
No.
Oh.
Here, because no, not yet. Not yet.
Mess it up.
Okay.
Because I got assistance today.
Oh.
Alright, you can take it now.
Alright.
Pull the string. Do it like this, so I won't move. You're gonna fall back. You're ready to slide. No, you stop.
Oh God. Okay. It's fine.
Okay, because even if it was gonna swing back, which it wasn't, all I got to do is and catch it. That's how I caught the TX falling on me.
Science.
No, that's not science. Oh yeah, gravity. Gravity geometry. All right. You can end it.
Yeah.